Hello students, today we discuss or read about the Dr. Parmeshwar Rao. Dr. Parmeshwar Rao is said to be an NGO in himself. What is the reason for that? To understand this statement, at first we must know what is an NGO is. NGO is and the full form of NGO is non-governmental organization. Okay, and it works for the development and welfare of the people, and it is independent of government and business. So at the very first sentence tells about Parmeshwar Rao that he is an NGO in himself. It makes us clear that he is the person who just works for the welfare of the people, upliftment of the people. He was a man of compassion. Students, already I have told you that when do we use the word compassion? Once again I am going to tell, compassion is a word that we use when we have a strong feeling of sympathy for people who are suffering and a desire to help them. So here it is being said about Dr. Parmeshwar Rao that he is a man of compassion. It means what? It means he had a strong feeling of sympathy for those people who were suffering, and not only he was having sympathy for them, but he was also desirous to help them. And we will see what he did for the people. Dr. Parmeshwar Rao decided to move out of his comfort zone to alleviate the sufferings of the poor people of his native village. And what is the name of his native village? It is Dimli. Okay, so here it is being said about him that he not only serve the people, he just move out means he just abandoned, give up the life of comfort for the welfare of the people, to alleviate the suffering of the people. Alleviate is the word that we use when we make something less severe. And what is being said here? Alleviate the sufferings. Suffering is the word that is used for mental or physical pain. Okay, so he just moved out of his comfort zone only to help the people who were sufferers. Let's start the lesson. Return of the native. Students, native is a word that is used for the village with whom we are connected and where we were born and lived for the first years of our lives. So here native has been used for the Parmeshwar Rao. Okay, return of the native. Dr. Parmeshwar Rao was a man of clear vision. What does it mean that Dr. Parmeshwar Rao was a man of clear vision? Student, clear vision is a word that we use when we have a clear vision when we chase our dream, and we know exactly what our dream is and what steps to take in order to reach our goal. So it is being said here that Dr. Parmeshwar Rao was a man of clear vision. It means what? It means he exactly knows what his dream was and what steps he must take in order to reach his goal. After obtaining a doctoral degree from the Pennsylvania State University, USA, he turned down the lucrative offer of a job of an assistant professor at the university. Guided by his inner voice, he came back to India. What are your plans? His father asked. The first paragraph give us a brief information or introduction about Dr. Parmeshwar Rao. Here it is being said that he was a man of clear vision. Okay, it means he knew exactly what his dreams were, and not only knew, he also knew that what steps he must take in order to reach his goal. Here it is being said that he just obtained his doctoral degree from the Pennsylvania State University, that is in USA. But students, after obtaining that degree, he turned down. Turn down is a phrasal verb. Turn down is a phrasal verb, and we use it when we reject or refuse to consider an offer or a proposal. So it is being said that when he just obtained a doctoral degree from the Pennsylvania University, he was offered a lucrative job. Students, already I have discussed the use of the word lucrative. Once again I am going to say producing lucrative job means job that produce a large amount of money or that makes a large profit. So he was offered a lucrative job after completing his doctoral degree, but he just turned down. Turn down means reject. Remember students, turn down is a phrasal verb. Already I have told you phrasal verb means what? Phrasal verb means main verb plus preposition, or main verb plus preposition or adverb, and it has entirely different meaning from individual main verb. Of a job, an assistant professor. What was the job that he was offered? He was offered a job of an assistant professor, but he just rejected, refused, turned down. You could use the synonyms of turn down as rejected or refused. He turned down the proposal of being an assistant professor at the university. And what was the reason for that? Why did he turn down the proposal? Because his vision was something else. He wanted to do something else. He wanted to do something for the people, for the welfare of the people. Okay, so he just turned down and reject the offer of being an assistant professor. See students, when he came back, his father asked him, guided by his inner voice, conscience, he came back to India. What are your plans? Who asked? His father. When his father asked him what his plans were, see what was the reply of Dr. Parameshwar Rao. Till now, his father had decided everything for him. On completing his schooling, Rao had wanted to go to his native village, but he was persuaded to go for higher studies in the USA. Now the time had come for Rao to realize his dream of working for the welfare of the society. He conveyed to his father, firmly yet politely, his decision to go to Dimli. Dimli means his native place. Here it is said, till now means till the time he just obtained his degree, all decisions of his life were taken by his father. Means his father had decided everything for him, what he would do, what he won't do. On completing his schooling, Rao had wanted to go to his native village. Students, only after completing his schooling, he wanted to go to his native place where he was born. But he was persuaded. Persuaded is main verb again. We use the word persuade when we make somebody to do something by giving them good reasons for doing it. See, suppose that if someone make you agree to do something by giving you good reasons, then it is called persuade, to make somebody agree to do something. So he was persuaded to go for higher studies in the USA, and he agreed for that. Now the time had come for Rao to realize his dream of working, and now it is time that he just decided to make his dream true. Dream of what? dream of working for the welfare of the society. He conveyed to his father, and then he just conveyed. Conveyed means informed his father firmly yet politely. It means his voice and his voice just showed his determination. Firmly has not been used in negative sense. Firmly means with determination, but politely he just revealed, or he just told his father that he wanted to go to his native place. And what is the name of his native place? Demli. His father asked him what he would do there. Sorry students, it's not his father, his brothers. After knowing his decision to go back to his native village, his brothers inquired of that what he would do there. See, to this Parmeshwar Rao told, I'll go and see what I can do for the villagers. And then he just told them that after going to the village, after returning village, he would decide what he could do for them. But one thing he knew, and what was that? That the villagers were in need of help. They need help. Here they refers to villagers. They are poor. They are exploited. Exploited, when do we use the word exploited? When we take undue advantage of someone. Their children need good education. I can teach them. And here Dr. Parmeshwar Rao just told his brothers that he would go to a village, he would help the people in getting education. He also just expressed his desire that he would teach the children. I can also help the farmers get better yield, production. The synonyms of yield would be production from the land. There is so much to be done there, Rao replied. His father did not say a word. He could sense the determination in his voice. And student, it is being said that when Dr. Parmeshwar Rao expressed his desire to help the villagers in different spheres of life like education, agriculture and other areas of help, then his father did not say a word, as he could sense, he had understood the determination in his voice. In whose voice? Dr. Parmeshwar Rao. Rao arrived in the village along with his wife. Not only alone, his wife also accompanied him. His brothers too came. Not only his wife, his brothers too came to help him settle down in his ancestral home. Ancestral home means the forefathers. The synonyms of ancestral you can use forefathers. Thank you students. In next part of the video, we'll discuss the rest part of the lesson.